Welcome to Vention Tips. In this video, we will take you through the various ways you can add custom panels to your design. There are two options when adding panels to any Vention assembly. The first, simply drag and drop the panel onto the frame where you would like to add it. A dialog box will then allow you to select the panel position, either on top or inside of the extrusion. At this point, you will also be able to revisit your material selection. Click Create, and the machine builder will automatically generate the panel geometry and position it on your assembly. The other option for creating panels is by selecting the extrusions included in the frame to be covered by the plastic panel. Once your frame is selected, simply right-click and select Create Panel. When ordering your design, you will see all of the custom panels included in your bill of materials. The quantity of each line item represents the square feet of material included.